बाटोको एउटै
बाटोको होइन हौ मोमेन्ट्सको खोइ टिकटक खाइदिउँ न त आउने एक पिस अहिले चाहिँ बल्ल बल्ल यहाँ घाम लागिरहेछ 10 बजेको छ अहिले चाहिँ पुरा नेचुरल ठाउँ छ क्या यहाँ चरा चुरुङ्गीको आवाज यस्तै छ है अहिले कति ब्लर भएको हौ
Never see. Come here. Never saw this.
Yes, I'm going the sea for the first time and I'm so much excited. The sea is showing the way. I'm so happy.
Let's go. Show you.
Wow, this place is looking beautiful.
You know what is this?
That is, I think,
It's old Germany war object, army object.
Wow.
Very old, maybe 300 years.
Oh my God.
Yeah. And here you have more. Everywhere. Here it's old Germany base.
Oh yeah.
Because here was Germany earlier.
Yes.
Before Second World War,
Yeah.
it was Germany.
Oh, आजको हाम्रो गाइड उहाँ नै हुनुहुन्छ. This place is beautiful. Very sunny. पहिलोचोटि जिन्दगीमा समुद्र के भन्छ सीलाई के भन्छ नेपालीमा थाहा भएन. Oh my God. Look at this is like this. Wow.
It's
Oh my
like
God.
The end of Earth.
Yeah.
Yes?
It's nothing. Like only the water. It look like.
Yes, the end of Earth.
Yeah. Oh my God. It's amazing.
The end of Earth.
पुरै चिसो आउन थालिसक्यो पानीको.
And you know what?
Yeah.
The sea have different color every day.
Oh my God.
Different colors every day. Really?
It's like this now.
Sometimes it's you can't see when the sky and start to be water. It's like really.
Yes, it's look like that.
Never see something
It's
like that.
this. Oh my God. It's really beautiful. हामी पहिलोचोटि जाँदैछौँ पानी सिधा हेर्नलाई अनि एकदमै राम्रो भ्यू छ.
You have not seen big waves today, but sometimes it's very big. It's amazing, yeah?
Yeah, it's amazing.
I know. I said the person who see it first time, it was
I'm feeling
I like it too much.
like this right now. Oh wow, it's beautiful.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Near the
beautiful.
home,
Yeah, I feel a little
and you
lucky.
can sit here and enjoy.
Everywhere water, पानी पानी यतादेखि यतासम्म पानी नै पानी छ. पहिलोचोटि समुद्र हेर्दैछु एकदमै ठुलो छ. Wow,
Wow.
it's really beautiful and amazing.
That's the sea.
हात दुखिसक्यो.
It's better than on the video.
Yeah, in reality it's more beautiful. Wow, look at this guys. You can see the sea now. Woo! Wow.
Vlogger.
Yeah, I'm just kind of trying. I enjoy it.
Welcome.
Thank
To
you.
Stranyamorsky.
This is Baltic, right? Baltic.
Yes,
Welcome.
Baltic Sea.
Welcome to Baltic Sea, guys. Welcome to
Very
Baltic
cold
Sea. It's
sea.
really cold here. Oh wow. It's like this. Sea is the one who shows us. Really kind. एकदमै दामी भ्यू छ एकदम बवाल परसम्म. Oh my God, यार. Look at this. Look at this view. हेरे नि साथीहरु. Hi. केडा हो कस्तो लाग्यो त सी? How you feeling, huh? हेर. ओहो एकदम चिसो छ. यो चाहिँ टिकटकर हो तर भ्लगर बन्न खोजिरहेछ हैन. त्यसमा आइफोन पनि छ. मेरो त जोतको हो एकदम दामी Oh no! Bad guy. Bye bye. Thank you. See you. आजको मेरो यही हुने भयो कन्टेन्ट सीलाई हेरेको Welcome to the Baltic Sea. Woo! For today and अब हामी हेरिसक्यो अब जाँदैछौँ बाई बाई चराले सो यहाँ चाहिँ चराहरू उडिरहेको छ एकदमै दामी भ्यू देखिँदो रहेछ क्या यो देखाउँछु तपाईँहरूले Look at this चिसो हावाले यति हान्ने नि यहाँको टेम्परेचर अहिले लगभग 5 डिग्री होला चिसो हुँदो रहेछ यार गर्मी महिना भयो भने अनि चिसो हावाले हानेपछि आँखाबाट त आँसु नै झर्ने रहेछ वेलकम टु पोल्यान्ड एन्ड वेलकम टु बाल्टिक सी पहिलोचोटि हेर्दैछु जिन्दगीमा अब त यही आफ्नै ठाउँमा आइरहेको छु देखाइरहेको छु ओके सो मोर बेटर भिडियोज yet to come and surprise to my channel. Okay, bye bye.